Good day, here we go. We're gonna open up the Elba Experience 550. So let's check it out. New for our store here. So let's take a look to see what this has got inside. Standard. Ooh boy. Okay. It comes with
a sewing machine,
a hard case. Ooh, what else does it come with? Comes with an extension table. Very cool. What else? Oh, quilting attachment kit. Standard plug-in. What do we have? Overcasting, zipper foot, extra needles, stitch ripper. Ooh. Oh, let's bring it out and check. Look at this. Kind of a neat looking machine. The red handle on it, or the red dial. Stitches on the side. Cool. Everything's taped up on it, so don't have enough fingernails to pull the tape off of it.
as you can see. We have
Struggling, no fingernails still.
lots of machines in our classroom for whenever we'll be able to open up for classes and workshops.
So in here we have our buttonhole foot. Sweet. And our standard feet. So if you give me for a few more minutes, I'll get it all plugged in and we'll come right back and show you some other things.